How to set up an account on Axie Infinity beginners tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to set up an account on Axie Infinity NFT game to play. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to axieinfinity.com and it will take you to this website right here, which is the official website for Axie Infinity game. Axie Infinity is an NFT game that allows you to make money, and all of the different assets are NFT. It's a battle game, a very fun game to play where we can actually collect different NFT assets and make money we can earn through this game. In order to get started with Axie Infinity, you can click on this Get Started option and it will take you to Welcome Axie Infinity page. First, we need to create our wallet. So I'm going to click on Get Started. Create a Rodin wallet, which is the wallet for Axie. And you're going to select your extension, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Google Play, or App Stores. I'm going to select Chrome because that's what I'm using. All right, so here we have our extension that we need to download. Click on Add to Chrome, Add extension. Now it has been added. Let's open it up. Here we have our wallet. Click on Get Started. I am new. Let's get set up. Then we're going to actually allow tracking. All right, so we have to enter a password and then confirm the password in order to create a new wallet on this network. Click on Create Wallet, then we have our recovery. So once you have your wallet, then you will open up your extension. Now, this is the most important part when it comes to getting started with Axie. And you can see with our Welcome to Axie Infinity, we need to create a wallet and then we need to get some Axies. Then we will have an account set up, download, and play. So we have completed the first step and this is our wallet. I'm going to open it up. We have to get some Axies. How to get them? Well, you can buy them with your wallet that you have because Axies is like a token for the Axie Infinity and it involves NFT and crypto. That is why we have to create our own wallet. Okay, so this is our next step. Get 3 Axies to start playing. For that, we will have to go to the marketplace. And here we have our Axie marketplace. You can see we can switch to Axies right here so that we can buy them. I have 0 Axies right now, so I need to buy 3 Axies. You can see, get 3 Axies to start playing. So to set up your account and to actually play the Axie Infinity, you require 3 Axies and it'll just load right here and we will be able to buy the Axies. Okay. So you can see we have the lowest price. I customized it with the lowest price because I do not have much funds in my wallet. And you can see this one is $0. So I'm going to buy this one for sure. This, our Axie is actually $0.01. So we can just buy it. And you can just click on buy. This is Axie. These cute little creatures that you see in the game, these are known as Axies. And these are actually the tokens that we get within the game. I'm going to buy this one. And then, of course, we can find 2 more. It depends on how much funds you have in your wallet and how much you're willing to spend. So I'm going to buy this one. And then we can explore the marketplace with the lowest price. If you want to go with the highest or the lowest ID, highest, you can switch. We have like Axies for $1, $2. Then we have $2 right here. You just need to buy any 3 Axies. It does not matter that they should be expensive or like that. So most of them are just $2. So you can actually buy 3 Axies for $6 and you are good to go. Once you have bought the Axies, then you will be able to set up your account. In order to set up your account, what you need to do is you will just set up with your email address. So you will have to enter your email address and set up a password. Once you add your email password and set up, you can see right here, once you add your email address and your password, then you're good to go. The second option is going to be download and play. Then you will download the Axie Infinity. So there are 2 Axie Infinities right now. We have Axie Infinity Origins and we have Axie Classic. So the one you want to play, you can download it. This is actually the gameplay guide and this is the game right here. So you can download this one on Android, iOS as well. And then it is also available for the desktop, of course. So once you're done, you can click on the Play Now option and it will take you to the game. So you can see right here, we have completed the steps. Create a Rodin wallet. I showed you how to get the extension right here. Then we have to buy the Axies right here. I showed you how to get 3 Axies. Account creation is really easy. Once you have bought the Axies, just enter your email address, set up a password, and then we just need to download and play. So this is how you set up an account on Axie Infinity and start playing the game. The game is actually really cool, and it is one of the most famous games, NFT games out there to make money. You will actually make money with this game. You play this game, you earn different assets, and these assets are NFT assets. If you're actually buying NFTs, if you're buying Axies for $2 or $3, but you can actually trade and sell these assets that you earn as rewards for thousands of dollars, and it depends on you what price you want to add. When it comes to the gameplay, well, it's a battle game where you have your own creatures and they fight. There are different places, locations, and we have different assets, strategy that you have to make. So this is how we play Axie Infinity. And as a complete beginner, if you had no idea how to set up an account on Axie Infinity, now you know. You can also go to welcome.skymavis.com, which is actually the provider of the game, the creator, and they will also show you these steps. Once you have your wallet, the wallet that I created, and then we have to buy the NFTs in the marketplace, of course. You can see how cool these Axies are, and we can actually also sell them on OpenSea if we want. And you will buy these assets for very cheap prices, and you will be able to then create your own account. If you have an email address, then you're good to go. Enter your password, then download your game to play Axie Infinity. And if we talk about the Axie Infinity Marketplace, we can not only buy Axes with it, but once you are playing the game, you will actually require different assets. There are different lands available and coins, many things that you can actually buy within the game. That is why it's a very interesting game to play. You can see we have the creatures known as Axes, of course, and then we also have land. You can see Axes, lands, items, bundles, runes, and charms. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch to lands now, because buying a land is also really, good for us if we buy a land, because it's like buying a land in a metaverse. So we can actually buy land for $1,000. It's like 0.97 Ethereum. Then we have 1 Ethereum, 2 Ethereum. As we go down, you can also, select the price you want to go for. Similarly, we have items. In items, there are different items in games, such as like a snack box. Then we have trees, and we have fireworks and others. So what we can do is we can actually explore the different items within the game when we are playing it, and each item has its own unique properties and has its own value that we can actually collect. So this is an important part of the game, because game is all about NFTs and the NFT assets. There are different lands and axes that we actually need to get when we are playing the game. So you will be able to explore the marketplace and buy a lot of different cool items and axes with Axie Infinity. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.